Hello everyone, this is Anam here. Welcome back to my channel. So my makeup practice, I'm also learning about skincare. So today I'm gonna introduce one of my favorite esthetician. She is just amazing. She has too much knowledge about skincare ingredients. Instead of following DIYs, please guys do follow a proper skincare if you love your skin. So you have to be very careful about the ingredients which you are using for your skin. So let's meet one of my favorite esthetician.
10 skincare myths that we all have been doing all our lives. But before I start with that topic, I want y'all to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video, and don't forget to give that thumbs up.
Information, so don't forget to subscribe her channel.
Before you guys start thinking that I'm some kind of genius and I know everything about skincare, I want to tell you guys that I have done all these skincare myths and I have tried all of them, but after knowing
yes, exactly, no one is perfect. Education don't have any kind of full stop. Everyone is still learning. You are also learning, I'm also learning. Everyone is on their learning process. Go ahead and learn some authentic information. There is a Google and it's free for everyone, and get ingredients information from there.
I want to tell you guys that these are all myths and you guys have to put a big stop sign on it. So the first one is using grape skin can help with removing wrinkles. It is actually the biggest lie you can ever find out there.
Seriously, using grapes for their skin instead of...
The ingredient resveratrol that is found in grapes is actually very hard to stabilize. It doesn't absorb in your skin. Even when they make it in the lab, it's so hard for them to make it absorb on your skin. So what are you guys thinking? If you use it directly from grapes, it's going to make some kind of like difference? It's not. The second thing is that grapes has sugar in them, and what sugar does to our skin is it binds with the collagen, and then when it binds with the collagen, it breaks the collagen down, and that's what actually happens when we have wrinkles. So you're basically not helping yourself, you're destroying your skin and having more wrinkles. So instead of using the grapes on your face, I would recommend to just consume it. And
seriously, I was also the one who was applying sugar on my face. So
not put it on your face. Instead of that, go ahead and buy some retinol products that is actually going to help you, and those products are in my description.
Yes, retinol is amazing product. I just learned it from Razi, and I'm also start using retinol, and I'm also recommending you can also try it.
The second myth is if you use cold water, it will close your pores, and if you use warm water, it will open your pores. That's another myth that we all fall for it, and it has happened to myself as well. Putting my head on a tub of water and trying to like take all the hot steam, probably thinking that my pores are going to open and it's gonna clean, but that's not what happens to the pores, because pores don't have any muscles.
Second one is also me. Actually, I was not applying grapes on my face, but sugar I was applying in my past. And for now, I was also thinking that cold water can shrink your pores and warm water can open your pores. But this myth is also not for...
Don't have muscles to open up or close. They stay the same size, and that's how just they are. What happens is that when you're taking hot steam and the congestion in the pores starts losing up, and you see that you can have more exfoliation and cleaning your face, that kind of makes you think like probably I have open pores or large pores or small pores. That's not true. Your pores will stay the same size, but the only thing will happen is that it will remove the congestion. But yeah, you can use cold water on your face. It's actually very good because it does help with like poofiness or anything on your face. So
yes, only for puffiness you can use cold water. But if you are thinking that cold water is gonna shrink your pores, that doesn't make any sense. I just learned. So guys, stop using cold and hot water for pores on your face.
The next one is using retinol or chemical peel can make your skin thinner. Your skin is actively producing cells. How the fuck in the world is it gonna stop producing cells and it's gonna become thin? Like it doesn't become thin. it just makes your skin a little bit irritated when you go outside. And
yes, I saw also many people that who are talking about our skin is becoming more thinner than before, as we're using a skincare, like skincare are based on chemicals. That's why we are recommending DIYs. We don't use chemicals based product on our face, guys. Those are not chemicals, okay? Those are not like harsh acids. Just learn about your skin and meet any esthetician and talk to them, show them your skin, and obviously they will recommend you a good product.
Sun, it makes your skin burn. That's why you feel like my skin is thin. Your skin is not thin. You have to grow thicker skin actually, because with retinol or with chemical peel, your skin is not gonna get thinner. Your skin is actively producing cells. Doesn't matter, you use benzoyl peroxide or exfoliate or whatever the heck you want to do, you can go ahead and do it. It doesn't make your skin thin. You just have to make sure you're using sunscreen so it doesn't affect your skin and it doesn't make your skin burn when you go out in the sun.
We have to apply sunscreen on our face, on our body, on our arms, on our neck also. Yes guys, sunscreen is very important as we are indoor or outdoor. Sunscreen is very important.
The next myth is natural skincare is good for sensitive skin. I mean, yeah, maybe poison ivy is also natural. Like, do you want to take it? No, you don't. Like, not every natural thing out there is going to help you. When you have science, why not using it and still being stuck over natural remedies? And nowadays, these damn foods don't even help your own body. Like, what are you expecting that it's gonna help your skin? The food is not natural anymore. The fruits are not natural anymore. They all have preservative. They all have a lot of other shit in them that is not even going to help your body. So it's not going to help your skin either. People who have sensitive skin, they can go ahead and try some other products that is actually for sensitive skin. You don't have to be stuck with natural remedies and everything from your grocery list. You just put it on your face. The next one is, I think I have done that so much and I'm guilty of it, is using turmeric with lemon to get rid of your dark spots. I don't know which stupid came in my life and told me to use that, and I kept promoting it down to everybody else, like my friends, my cousins, my everyone. Use turmeric with lemon, it's going to help with dark spots. But it doesn't help at all, because turmeric in natural form is good, but when you use it from your kitchen, it is actually mixed with a lot of other spices. It's mixed with red chili powder, it's mixed with a lot of other things. It's made for food, it's made for Indian curries, it's not made to put on your face. But yeah, if you're actually looking to use something like turmeric mask or something, then there's a company called Reshma Beauty, which I'm gonna put the link down below. They have some really good products that already has turmeric in them, and you can try that. I don't have any problem with people using turmeric. It is completely fine as long as it's a natural form of turmeric, but at the end of the day, it's going to leave yellow tint on your face, which you're not going to like. You're probably gonna look like you have jaundice. Now, the other part is using lemon with turmeric. It is like a disaster. Lemon has,
so yes, you can see turmeric and lemon is a big disaster. So you haven't applied this on your face, seriously.
Too much concentrated vitamin C in it that it's going to actually burn your face instead of helping you to get rid of that dark spot. Instead, it's going to create new ones so you can have a full face of dark spots. The other question is, you shouldn't be using moisturizer for oily skin.
Yes, actually this is the thing which I have also heard many times, but many people, like, we have oily skin, we are not applying any moisturizer, and we already have oily skin, so you guys need moisturizer. Depends on your skin. Don't use a thick moisturizer, but you guys can use a gel based moisturizer or water based moisturizer. Instead of using nothing, try to use moisturizers, otherwise your skin will produce too much extra oil and you are again gonna get oily skin.
Where people say that if you're using oil for oily skin or moisturizing oily skin, it's bad. Now, when your skin feels that you don't have enough oil, it's gonna start pushing more sebum, and they'll be like, okay, we don't have more production, let me just keep producing. But that's where you get it wrong. Even oily skin needs moisturization. Moisturization has nothing to do with oil. you can use a very natural cream based or something that has ceramides, something kind of like that is going to hydrate your skin. But if you're thinking, I don't want to put oil on my face because I have oily skin, you're doing your skin a big damage. You need to start using a good moisturizer that has really good oils. And
so I'm very thankful to you, Razi. You are giving us such an authentic information which actually makes sense. So guys, the link of Razi's video is in my description box. So if you want to see full video, so just go to that link, and don't forget to subscribe her channel for more informative videos. And if you like this video, and if you like this video informative that I just introduced Razi to you, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel too, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do watch my other video. Are interested in makeup videos. So take care, bye.